Okay guys, welcome to Finland. More precisely to a place called Pertunmaa, which is in a certain part of Finland. It's January 2013. I just got my first GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition just a couple of days ago. I must say I'm a total beginner, a rookie in fact. Only mounting brackets I have for the moment is a helmet mount, so that's how I've mounted the GoPro on the left side of the helmet. First I'm gonna shoot some video, a camera heading to the driving direction, and then I'm gonna just switch it 180 degrees and do some shooting backwards. Let's see what kind of video we get. What I'm driving at today is my good old Suzuki KingQuad 750, swamp lights, 27-inch tires, I've got end guns, shock absorbers, homemade snorkel and a clutch kit, but quite normal stuff, standard stuff anyway. That's where we're heading to Lake Raaveli. I don't know if you can hear me now, but first we're gonna find a way to the lake.